Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is number of steps to reduce a number to 0. So here is given a integer num. You just have to return the number of steps which is required to put the number means reduce to its 0 value. In one step, if a current number is even, you can divide by 2, and if the number is odd, then you just have to do the subtraction. Okay, so let's do this first. So here is an example which is given a 14. So it is an even number, so you just have to do divided by 2. So 14 divided by 2 is 7, and then this is an odd number, and odd number you just have to do the subtraction. So after 7 you just have to do the minus 1, which will give you 6, and again this is an even number, so you will divide it by 2 and you will get the 3, and 3 is odd number, you have to do the minus 1, you will get the 2, and 2 is an even number, you have to do the divided by 2, then it will give a 1, and after this 1 minus 1 is 0, so you just have to return the steps. So in 6 step it will reduce to the 0, so you have to return the 6. Okay, so first I will create int count is equals to 0. Okay, and then I will do while num is greater than 0, then I have to do if num modulo 2 is equals to 0, then I have to do num is equals to num by equals to 2. Else if it is not, then I have to do num is equals to num minus 1. Okay, and again I have to do count plus plus. And after this loop, after the ending of this loop, you just have to return the count. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, num, okay, it's num, again num. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this code. This code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.